What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain. If you're new here, I make videos on personal finance, how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. Hey, I started the Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to grab some stock and join me on the journey by grabbing some stock at my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about ticker symbol XSPA. I wanted to put you guys on this stock as a play that I want you to consider. If nothing else, add into your watch list. Again, man, I'm all about helping you guys build wealth, but also get in and out of positions that you might want to hold for either the short term or long term. So without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio and then we're gonna hop right into the stock today. As you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $29,708.07. On the day, we're up a little bit over 2%. On the week, we're down 6%. On the month, we are up over 11%. And if I take you guys 3 months out, we are up over 23%. Again, man, I can't tell you enough about the stock market being one of the best vehicles to build and grow your wealth. Again, there's no better game in town. And so oftentimes I say, man, we've been playing the wrong game for far too long. I'm just happy more of us are finally investing and in the stock market. Today, man, I wanted to talk to you guys about ticker symbol XSPA. And I want to break this stock down for you as something you might want to keep your eye on. If not, I want you guys to consider adding this to your watch list. Without further ado, man, let's hop into it. So XSPA, ticker symbol XSPA, is currently $5.40. Okay, man, this stock is, if you guys have flown anywhere, ever been to an airport, you can find this company inside every airport in the US. They are the ones that are giving the massages, giving the back rubs, and doing things like that. Right now, as the economy opens up, I talked to you guys about this in other videos, air travel will come back. So will cruises and everything else. But on the journey to coming back and on the journey to the economy reopening, this type of play right here is something you might want to look at. Okay, so as the airports open back up, this company will have a chance to get their business back going as well. And right now at $5, if you are thinking about this, this might not be a bad time to get into this stock. They are going to also be offering coronavirus testing for everybody, starting with essential workers and the airport staff, and then those of you guys that may be traveling. And so they are being nimble and they are being flexible, which is what you need companies to do as you try to navigate new waters. For me, I got 2 options I want you guys to consider. This play is either a long-term play or a short-term play. So check this out. At its current price of $5.40, I think at that current price, it's a better long-term play. However, those of you that want to get in as a short-term play or a quick flip, I think you guys will be best served by waiting to get this stock at $3.50 or below, preferably lower than that. But if you can get it at $3.50, $3 or lower, then you might have an excellent play to double your money, if not triple your money in the near term. Okay, however, those of you guys that have a longer outlook and can hold this for 6 to 9 months, if not longer, you guys will have a chance to get back into this stock right now at the $5 mark, but also have a chance to see it rise up towards or past its 52-week high, especially with the economy reopening back up. As people begin to take flights, you guys have to see the 50,000-foot view of how things move. And so one thing you want to keep in mind, Ubers will come back, rental cars may come back, you may have spas like this come back. Everything kind of works together, and so every business is like a chain reaction. And so you guys, as you think about your investment strategy, be thinking about what things go together. So if this is coming back, One of my next videos is going to be breaking down all the hotels for you guys. Of course, that has to come back. At some point, Airbnb will have to come back. And so all of it goes together. But it's important that you guys are thinking strategically and you guys are thinking at a macro level as you guys make these decisions. Listen, man, I hope that was helpful. If you got another stock you want me to cover, make sure you drop it in my comments below. Now it's time for our question of the day. Today's questions come from Jay Carr. He says, love your channel. Thanks for the info. You do a good job communicating for everyone. Man, I highlighted this for two reasons. Number one, guys, I appreciate the comment first and foremost. Secondly, the stock market is not a complicated thing, man. One reason why I started this channel is because whether it was in school, whether it was on CNBC, or no matter where you looked at, stock market always seemed like this complex, convoluted type of ordeal. And for so long, my people avoided it like the plague. And so one thing I know, I've been investing for over 10 years. This is an account that I use to teach new and beginning investors. However, I've been doing this a long time. Ben has built up my wealth a long time. And so one thing I noticed is if we can break the stock market down in a more practical way, we can demystify this thought that it's something that only the 1% can do, that only rich people can do. And we can see how easy it is to begin to build our own wealth. And so I thank you, man, for pointing out how the content is for everybody. I try to be down to earth and as relatable as possible. This is me in my real life every day, all day anyway. So this is nothing to come on YouTube and give you guys the game the way I do each and every day. However, man, the stock market is so key and crucial to building wealth. And so oftentimes, man, our people is not even investing. They're either holding their money in banks or under a mattress, and that does nothing for you. You can't build generational wealth. You can't leave money to your kids that way. And so I had to come on YouTube and kind of give you guys the game in such a way where you can see, like, you know what, man, I can get to 1,000. I can get to 10,000. I can get to 30,000, man. And I've been walking alongside you guys since January with $0 because I wanted to show the people, man, look, I don't got no money. You don't got no money. We're going to all start at zero. And I showed you guys how to invest, how the money grows, how capital gains will increase your money even when you don't invest anything. And over time, as you see, we have already crossed or got near 30,000. Very soon, this is going to be at 50,000, and then I'm gonna take it to 100,000, man. And that's just simply to show the power of investing, but more importantly, that anybody can do it. Hey, listen, man, I make videos like this every week. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.